Sit down. And I got a cow. I mean a bull.
Merry Christmas to the dogs.
Can we
Merry
wait?
Christmas.
Can we wait a minute? And Mama see. Now. We got.
Oh, look at this.
I can't have it now. We've got a chicken. Look at his eyes. You can see his eyes.
He's
Trish.
gone. I can tell by the back of his
Trish,
head.
he's mesmerized. You can go over and see his eyes.
Oh, Monster's got a new ball. Aaron's got a new ball. Oh,
New ball. He's in a trance. It's a new ball. Daddy can take it out. Daddy will take it out. First you get to play with your...
Well, I got to take him for a walk.
Oh. What do you have, Sassy?
There you go. Give me that frog. Give it to me. Or do you want this? Chicken.
It's hard to choose. Do I want to kill the chicken first or the frog? What do you have, Aaron? Where's the cow? Where's that cow? Not the livestock. Not the livestock. Oh, get him, Aaron. Oh, that poor lamb. No, it looks like a lamb, but it's a cow. He's moving over there.
I got a John Wayne calendar.